Professional tile cutters like this Ruby that have the ability to cut angles have got your normal centimetres and also another measure scale. It's not inches or centimetres. Montolit tile cutters are the same. They've also got your centimetres and another measure scale. Then if you look at the Sigma, that's got the normal centimetres and then the same strange scale. It's actually for doing diagonals. I've made a cardboard template here just to represent the piece that we're trying to cut. Using a tape measure in the normal way, you can't measure right into the corner because it hits the wall. If you turn the tape over, it works alright, but then you can't read the scale. Same thing happens if you do it at the top. You flip it over, can't see it. The real easy way is to measure square off the wall into this corner. It's so much easier to see. Now set the tile cutter. It's got to be 45 degrees for this to work, or very close to it. Then just set your measurement you've just taken. I normally subtract off a couple of millimetres just for a joint at the wall. Put your tile in. And scribe it and snap it. And there you go. Perfect cut.